Everybody, welcome back to my wife's channel. She's got another video for you today, and I know she's smoking hot, she's good with hair. But I wanted to open this video up to say I appreciate all your support, but I gotta get to work.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, and you're hanging out with me on Life with Jen. Today, we're going to do a fancy church hairstyle. It's gonna be a curly top knot with a very dramatic side swoop on the front, and we're going to top it off with a whole bunch of pretty pins. So you know me, I love my pretty pins. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new content that I post. Coming at you every Friday and every Wednesday now, because I've added 2 new segments. So let's just go ahead and get started. You're gonna start off with a high ponytail, as high as you like it. I like mine pretty high up. But before we do that, section off a small portion of hair. About like that. I'm going to twist that up and pin that in place just for right now. We're going to do this at the very, very end. You're going to pull all of your hair up in a very high ponytail. Get your ponytails, and when we do the ponytail, you're going to pull the hair out, completely out twice, and then the third time you're going to pull it halfway, so it is like a little fan bun. And now we are gonna curl all of the ends. I'm using my 1-inch Revlon wand, and I'm wrapping the hair flat around the barrel so I get more of a spiral curl. And when you curl, you want to curl each curl going the opposite direction that you curled the one before. So I'm gonna wrap this one back. And when the hair is on the barrel, just lightly tap with your fingers to see how hot it's getting. And when it feels like the hair is warm all the way through, that is a good time to go ahead and release it off the barrel. You can do different sizes of curls. We are going to separate them before we start pinning, but I still like to do different sizes of curls. Okay, so once you have all of your ends curled, you're going to separate them into 2 sections. We curled the ends because we're going to wrap the hair a few times around your base, and then we're going to pin . section of hair and you're going to kind of curl the ends. You're just gonna go one big curl away from your face. Okay, so I'm going to spray kind of the top part so all my shorter hairs are kind of staying together. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have to really control this section of hair. I like it to go just over the top of my ear. So I'm going to pull this back. Make sure the top is just slightly tighter. The top is slightly tighter than the bottom. It's going to lay better so you won't have this really big gap in between the top and your head. If you have these pin curling clips or just hair clips like the clamps, go ahead and slide that to hold it in place. You're going to do one behind your ear and then one up here at the front. Just to hold it in place so you know that is not going to move. And then I like to do a twist to give it a different look. And I'm going to just pull this out just a smidgen. And I'm going to pin that right up here. Just shove it right underneath the bun. So it looks like it kind of just, you can separate these pins and just pin this up into the bun.
How Puppy doesn't like rain. How Puppy doesn't like rain.
Bubble Puppy doesn't like rain. Aw, poor Bubble Puppy. You can give it a little tug just to give it a little more body, to make the swoop a little more natural looking. What I do when I spray my front pieces, I kind of stick my hand under it to shield my face. Give it a spray and then run the edge just barely underneath my two fingers so it doesn't disrupt the swoop at all. Let's spray all of this real quick. And with the hairspray, you can spray and you can adjust the curls to how you want. You can do extra hairspray to make sure that they stay in place so you don't have to use any more extra bobby pins. So these are the clips I'm using. The 3 pearl ones I got from Walmart. And then this gold one I actually got from a collaboration, and I will leave her Instagram shop linked in the description box below, but it is so pretty. I absolutely love it so much. Let's see, there we go. So pretty. It doesn't have any rubber tips, so it hurts my head a little bit when I put it in. So I just go directly into the bun so it doesn't hurt at all, and I let it stick out a little bit. I want the pearl ball to be here, so I'm just gonna slide it in. It opens up like that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this curly top knot for church, prom, wedding hair tutorial. It's super easy. You don't have to do the side swoop at all. You can actually curl this with a thinner curling wand and you can kind of swoop it back and pin that into the bun as well. That would be absolutely gorgeous. There are so many ways that you can change up the style. You can do more pins, you can do less pins. You don't have to do any pins at all. It's a great hairstyle, beautiful for church. This would be absolutely gorgeous for a wedding. Stick the veil right up here. It just flows over the bun. Oh my goodness, that would be so perfect. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what hairstyles you would like to see me do next. More fancy, more prom wedding style, or more everyday I really need to go hairstyles. I would love to do more videos on what you guys want to see. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.